Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Ninja 650. Now, it's a Ninja by name. All of the Kawasaki's now that are faired are called Ninjas and all of the ones that are not faired are called Zs. It doesn't mean that this is a super sport bike, far from it. This is more towards the sports touring end of the scale. It's powered by a 650cc parallel twin that makes just under 70 horsepower. These can also be restricted down for A2 riders as well. And that really is the market for these bikes. People who are new to biking, who are looking for their first bigger bike, people who are looking for a lightweight sports tourer and or commuter. It's a really nice tidy bike. This is a 19, beg your pardon. That's covered 3,500 miles from new. It's really clean and tidy, as you'll see as we go around it. So starting at the front, 17-inch wheels. The bike's got Dunlop tyres on it, which it would have come with from standard, which are in good condition. It's the twin disc model with ABS, as you can see. Wavy discs are somewhat of a feature that you see on a lot of Kawasaki's now. Styling wise, it looks very similar to its big brother, the Z1000SX, but it is a lot smaller, a lot lighter, so don't be fooled by its looks. Relatively low seat height and high bars. Again, comes back to the sports tourer side of it. It's actually a metallic black. It's got green accents on it, as you can see, just to let you know that it's a Kawasaki. Pretty much a standard bike. It does have a tail tidy on the back end, but it's got the standard exhaust and stuff like that. So if you're interested in accessories, let us know, because we do offer free fitting on any accessories purchased with the bike. Like I said, really nice comfy seat, good position for pillions as well, and it can be restricted down for A2. Standard screen, standard levers, everything like that, all in good condition. Again, around this side it's very much the same. You can see the ABS track on the front. It's a good ABS system, and again, if you're just getting onto a bigger bike, it's a nice system to have. Things like chains, sprockets, brakes and tyres are all checked during the pre-delivery inspection, but it's a really nice, clean and tidy bike, so don't expect to find a great deal. Comes with 2 keys, the service history and owner's manuals. Obviously you've got a tank pad on here. You're probably wondering what this is. This is a tank lock system, so it's designed for a tank bag that I believe Givi produce. It just clips and locks into this. It's a much tidier way of doing it than just having a strap-on bag that will actually scratch the tank. So we can take that off, we can leave it on, it's entirely up to you. Nice clear dash on these. Just got a standard rev counter on the left hand side here. Gear position, again, a nice thing if it's your first bigger bike. Got your fuel gauge, temperatures, your trip information. So there you can see the last time the bike was used, it achieved nearly 60 mpg. Mileage, 3,585. You've also got a speedo just there as well. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Like I said, you can see the bars are on these risers. So unlike a proper super sport machine, which would have clip-ons down here, your hands are a little bit higher. Much more like a sport tour or a naked bike. So like I said, don't be fooled by the Ninja name. Everything else is very, very clean and tidy, as you can see. No major marks, dings, dents, scrapes or anything like that. Obviously all HPI clear, as all of our bikes are around the front. So this bike will come with a 3-month warranty. It will also come with free delivery to England and Wales. We do offer delivery to Scotland for a small charge. We can offer finance, part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the socials. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or pop into the showroom and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.